everyone and welcome. Thank you for joining me. I'm Anna from Craft Me a Card and I love crafting for the crafter, but today is Wacky Wednesday. So on Wacky Wednesdays I share things that don't have to do with card making. And I want to share with you something that a neighbor gifted me. Their mother passed away and she left a bunch of goodies that the daughter didn't want. So I said, sure, I'll have it. It's a bunch of vintage stuff. There's postcards in here. There's this magazine from 1962, and I want to share all these with you. It says, Save. Shirley Temple tells her decorating secrets. I was like, wow, so this is just an old magazine. It's been a while that I've been wanting to get more into the shabby chic mode. So I think this is a great opportunity. And here is our first book. As you can see here, it says 1921. So let me just flip through these pages so I can show you. They would save these images and just stick them on these big books. And this book is large. If you could see, that's the size of it. It doesn't fit in my camera. And I don't want to fidget with my camera because it's kind of set. So it's pretty big. Let me show you some of the wonderful postcards that are found in here. And I think that these would be great on Christmas cards. Now, I have to tell you, so I tried taking some off already so I can use them. But, for example, look at this. Greetings for Easter. Wow, look at the stamp. 1 cent. Ha! I wish those days would come back of the postage being so low. I wanted to see the date. And this one, for example, is from 1908. Isn't that wonderful? Now, I do want to share all this goodie. I wouldn't be, of course, sending these out to you, but I do want to share it. So I've been thinking, how can I share all this goodness? Look at this one. With sincere wishes for a happy Easter. So I need to figure out a way to remove all these from these books. My happiness dwell in thy heart, and love abide where thou art. Valentine greetings. Oh, wow, this would be perfect for Valentine's. So, yeah, I mean, a way that I'm thinking of doing this. Oh, wow, look at this. A peaceful Easter to you. It actually has Jesus on the boat. Awesome. A way that I'm thinking of maybe sharing these with you is for me to scan them or take a picture of them and resize them and make them available to you somehow. Saint Valentine remembers you. Oh, I like that. Huh. To my Valentine. This one says to my Valentine down here. But I want to make it to where you would need to be subscribed to my channel. Because, you know, subscribers are important to all of us who put out content on YouTube. And besides, I think that this is a nice way to give back to those who support my channel. Look at that. To my Valentine. Swift the wings of love, my heart beats fly to thee. Aw, cute. Okay, so it looks like this one was more Valentine. Let's see this one. This is also 1921. Thanksgiving number. Oh, this is more like cutouts. Oh, look at that. Oh, okay, I have some postcards here. But this is all, it's just awesome. Come unto this one. Come unto me, all ye that labor and are heavy laden. I will give you rest. Okay, that's something that we use in funerals. I know that. See, so there's just a lot of beautiful images in here. A lot of beautiful postcards. Easter greetings, Christmas. This is amazing. All this just fascinates me. Wow, look at this. Oh, these are cut by by hand, people. You could tell they're cut by hand. They didn't have a Cricut or a Scan and Cut back then, that's for sure. This is amazing. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at all these fruits here. It's quite interesting, everything that people used to save, you know. Awesome cutouts. Let's see this next one here. Okay, 4th of July. Did it ever occur to you that I'm your lasting pal? Aw, cute. A guilty conscience needs no accuser. Very cute. I don't know, guys. Check this one out. I'm trying to get it there. Here. Don't you want to whip my doggy? I wonder what that means. Cute. But I think that I remember taking stamps off with Vapor. What's this? Oh, this is a calendar. 1892 yearly calendar. Wow. This is from 1892. Pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. I'm just so grateful that I have this in my hands. It looks like that's where they left off with these books. Here's another one. This is a cutout. Christmas. Our house is full of noise. There's a cutout. Unfortunately, it's not complete. Thanksgiving greeting, Thanksgiving greetings, Thanksgiving. So we have for many different holidays in here, which is cool. So all this looks like holiday. Okay, Thanksgiving, and then we go into Christmas. We have all these Christmas ones here. Very, very cool. Definitely vintage. Very awesome. Let's see if this one, I think I started taking this one off. 1913 is this postcard, when postage was 1 cent. Haha. 1 cent. So this is all Christmas. So yes, let me know in the comments below what would be the best way to do this. Birthday greetings on your birthday. Very good. And Happy New Year. New Year greetings over here. Oh, look at this one. Happy birthday. Pretty. Some of these are embossed, but of course you would get just the flat image. Purity oat feed. 100 pounds net weight when packed. So I don't know what they fed with this oat feed. This is beautiful. This is interesting. New Year greetings. Wasn't black and gold. Oh, Christmas. Christmas, Christmas. Christmas. Oh wow, look at this. Happy New Year 1911. Wow, this one's also embossed. Pretty cool. Best birthday wishes down here. That's beautiful. Purple. I think these are amazing. It's just amazing to me what has been left in the past, you know? And what we will be leaving in the past. There's another one, another book. This one is more of a hardcover. Oh wow, these are so colorful. Love this. A happy secret. My mama uses Hall's vegetable and Sicilian hair renewer. That's what that says there. Very, very cool. These look more like cards. Greetings. Okay. Oh, how precious. Yeah, these are more like ads, maybe? This one says specialties in dressed goods. Compliments of Utisa clothing store. I don't know what these are. Maybe ads is my guess. We buy our candies. Oh wow, look at this. How precious. I think I'm gonna have to get into art journaling, guys. It's something I've been wanting to stay away from because I know it's a whole different world, but it's so fascinating. Oh, look at this. Watching out the century of old homestead. 5 cents. New York, December 26, 1900. That's this one right there. This is amazing. I just had to share with you guys these beautiful findings that have so thankfully landed in my hands. And this one here is 1892 again, right here. Common moss rose. Beautiful. Do this in 3D on a card? Yes, yes, please. On a Mother's Day card. Okay, so as I am detaching these to these pages, I will share with you at no cost. Of course, I'm not going to profit from something that was gifted to me. And I think that the way I'm going to do this is just for you to send me an email. I have no problem replying to emails. I actually love replying to people that take the time to write to me. So as I'm working with these, I will share with you the images that I have detached from these pages. And I will make them available to you. May 20th, 1898. Uncle Sam, Now Then, All Together Sing. So yeah, I will make these available to you. And the way that I want to do it is that, of course, you have to be a subscriber. You would need to email me, letting me know, that you would like that certain image that I have mentioned in the video that I'm sharing. And of course, in the description, the video will have a number, and you just mention that number and I can email you the image. Let me know in the comments down below if a Word document is okay, that I could just put it on a Word document where you could make it large or small, or if a PDF would be better. So let me know in the comments down below how you feel this should be done. Because really, I am in awe, and I'm so appreciative of having all this lovely material. So I'm definitely going to be working with these images, and I'm just so happy that I have something to play with on this no spending year. But as you saw, there is so much material here that can be used for many, many, many years. This is, I consider this gold, and I treasure it very, very much. So thank you so very much for joining me. I hope to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. Hit the notification bell, like, and comment. And yes, as always, I hope you create and be happy. See you next time. Bye-bye. I don't know, these are kind of naughty. A tight squeeze. The white man's burden. Way down in my heart, I have a feeling for you. Oh dear. Oh dear. What's this one? The bathing is superb and the bathing girls divine at Waukesha Beach, Pewaukee Lake. they would see the girls nowadays, how they go swimming. They would probably have heart attacks.